Keenumbers.
I'm Keenum. In this video, we're going to talk about counterclockwise and clockwise. This guy found ice, and that's all he wants to do.
Are we so cool? Am I so cool? I just started with my mouth. Eyes.
Hezzy is twisting to the right. When we turn to the right, that's clockwise. When we turn to the left, that's counterclockwise. Remember, you can make an L with your left hand. See that letter L? That's how you know it's your left hand. When we turn to the left, that's counterclockwise. Hezzy is now turning to the right. That's clockwise.
Okay, we say clockwise when you're turning to the right, because just like a clock, and it's hour hand and it's minute hand, we turn to the right. And if it goes the opposite direction, if it goes to the left, we say counterclockwise. What's going on here? What's happening? If the object turns to the left, that's counterclockwise. If it goes to the right, that's clockwise. Just like a clock. If you turn to the right, that is clockwise. But if you turn to the left, that's counterclockwise. Right is clockwise, and left is counterclockwise. Make an L with your left hand. See that letter L? That's how you know it's your left hand, which means this is your right hand. So, if you turn to the right, you're turning clockwise. But if you turn to the left, that's counterclockwise. Clockwise, counterclockwise. Beep, 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 beep. Crash. Dump truck. Those wheels are turning clockwise when the truck is moving forward.
That's it. I'm gonna
Clockwise.
the monster truck.
And when it goes backwards, the wheels are turning
Daddy's
counterclockwise.
playing with it.
Or we can look at this monster truck. Whoa, what's going on, dump truck? Hey, get out of here, dump truck.
What did you say?
If the wheels go to the right, they're moving clockwise. But if the wheels go to the left, they're going hey, what's going on, dump truck? Get out of here. What's going on? If the wheels are turning to the right, that's clockwise. Clockwise. If the wheels go to the left, that's counterclockwise. Clockwise, counterclockwise. Clockwise.
It's my wheels.
Hey, it's about that time again that I let you know you need to smash the big red subscribe button. That way you don't miss any of these hilarious but also educational math videos. We'll do them as often as we can. If you need additional resources, that's your URL right there. Welcome to all my US and Canadian friends. I see that you're watching, and we have other people from around the world watching too. That's great. You know what? You're fearfully and wonderfully made. That's what the Almighty says about you. We're glad to have you, and we'll catch you next week on another math video. Look at that jump! Whoa!
Let's try jumping over 7 trains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trains. Here comes the monster truck. Whoa! We made the jump! If we turn to the right, that's clockwise. It's in the direction of a clock. It's hour hand, it's minute hand, all turn to the right. But as soon as we reverse and go to the left, that's counterclockwise. Clockwise, counterclockwise. Okay, now we have 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 trains. Let's see if the monster truck can jump 8 trains. Oh, Gordon is jumping right now. Now we have 9 trains. 3, 6, 9. All right, monster truck, can you jump 9 trains? Oh no, crash.
Can you take a video of Emily?
All right, Emily, let's fix the jump. Are you ready to jump 9 trains, Emily? Whoa! Emily's jumping really high. Somersault. Whoa, crash and burn. Go, little blue, go. Crash. I think Gordon's gonna make the jump. Let's repair the track. Gordon, are you ready for the jump? So high. Oh, here he comes. He's going. He's crashing.
He didn't crash.
He did not crash. Nice jump, Gordon.
Just this.
Clockwise. Spin to the right. Counterclockwise. Spin to the left. Clockwise. Counterclockwise.
Keenumbers. Keenumbers.
Hey, I'm Keenum. In this episode, we're going to talk about counting backwards.
Whoa! That was Keep going, Hezzy. Make it right.
Where are you going?
Just climb up on these rock things.
Hi, buddy. There you go. Whoa. There you go. Whoa.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Headed to the stars for a new adventure. Where we're gonna go, I'm just not sure. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pack my bags, we're leaving tonight. Leaving this world on a space age flight. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Here we go again on a brand new mission. Countdown's done, booster ignition. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rockets are blasting off to the sun, circling around the moon just for fun. We have countdowns in our everyday lives. So even in our kitchens, we have something that we all are pretty familiar with. The stove. Oven, range, these terms get thrown around to all pretty much describe the same thing. Now I might be splitting hairs there. We've got a timer going on right here. And already we can see it's counting down. Look at that. 53, 52, 51, 50, 49. It's gonna keep counting backwards all the way until the timer is done. I've also got another one going. You hear that? Let's check it out. This is the toaster oven. Now the toaster oven is also counting backwards, but it's not doing it in seconds. It's doing it in minutes. It's at 20 minutes right now, and it's gonna keep counting down. 19, 18, 17, 10 minutes all the way until you hear the ding. And that is what's gonna let us know that the toaster oven is done. But again, it doesn't count down, not this one in seconds, it counts down in minutes. It counts down in minutes. Excuse me. Look, our oven is almost done. It just finished its countdown. So we use these kinds of tools in everyday life all the time to take a set of numbers, whether it's in minutes like the toaster oven, or in minutes and seconds like the regular oven, and we use these tools to help us know when something is going to start or when something is going to finish. Looks like we have 20 trains here because I have 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 trains. Alternatively, we could say this is a 5 by 4. 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is 20. Okay, so let's count backwards from 20 to illustrate this process. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we get to 0. We got no trains left. Okay, let's count backwards again. We've got 30 bears. How do we know we have 30 bears? Well, we can count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This is a 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Each column has 5 bears. And we have 6 columns. Okay, so we have 30 bears. Let's count backwards. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Whew, we're almost there. Don't give up. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Halfway there. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we have 0 bears. 0.
Oh, hey, if you're brand new here, welcome. You should smash the big red subscribe button. That way you'll miss all these zany educational math videos. We'll do them as often as we can. If you need something else, head on over to this website right here. And we'll catch you on next week's math video. God bless.
8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis. The final visit to enhance the vision of Hubble into the deepest grandeur of our universe.
Bypass across the board, Scooter, no action.
Houston now controlling, Atlantis on its way. Atlantis on its way, all 3 engines now throttling down as the vehicle passes through the area of maximum dynamic pressure.
Atlantis, Houston, no action on the MPS H2 outpeak.
Keenumbers. Keenumbers.
I'm Keenum. Today, we're going to talk about negative numbers.
Okay, we're trying to do negative numbers. We got the number line here. It's seen better days. Hey, what's going on here? Action.
Look, I'm trying to build this tower. It's gonna be really awesome.
Okay, we got our number line here. It's seen better days. That's right, it's a red button. Okay, we're gonna put a purple bear here at number 1. We already know about going forward on the number line, counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, but we're gonna go backward. Hey, what's going on here? Crash. We're gonna look at negative numbers today. So 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Hey, what's going on here? -5, -6, -7, and then all the way over to -10, and it just keeps going. These make up the integers. You already know 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. But the integers include the negative numbers. So start at 0 and go backwards. -1, -2, -3, -4. We'll put a bear over here. Hey, what's going on? Let's try again. Let's put a bear over here. He's at, that's right. This bear's at -6. That bear's at -6. Hey, what's going on here? You guys keep crashing into the bears. This bear's at -5. -5. That bear's at -5. Hey, what's going on here? What about this red bear? Where's he at? He's at 4. This bear was at 4. That's a positive number. But we could put him right in the middle of the number line. 0.
0 bears.
0. Go. Let's take this monster truck and go forward 1 big step. 1. But, hey, if we go backwards, -1. What are we counting here? Well, we have 1 whistle. Let's go forward 1. Let's go backwards -1. So the direction we go can be positive or negative. We can say that this is +1, and going backwards is -1. -1, -2, silly songs with you and you. -3, -4, let's sing a little more. -5, -6, how about cereal? How about cakes? -7. -2. Negative numbers, ooh yeah, they're not all great, they're not all bad. Negative numbers, I'm on my way, let's keep singing all day. Negative numbers, don't get down, you don't have to have a frown. Negative numbers, ooh yeah.
Swoosh! Swoosh! Oh! It's a tunnel.
Okay, let's illustrate the concept of negative numbers again. We can go forward 1 space on the train track. Hey, what's going on here? Hey. All right, let's try this again. We can go forward 1 space. 1, 2, 3. But we can also go. Oh, the bullet train. that naughty bullet train. But we can also go backwards. Let's go backwards, and we'll use negative numbers to help us understand this concept. We can go -1, -2, -3, or -1, -2, -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go backwards 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5. We've gone backwards. Hey, what's happening here?
Okay, let's review. We've got, on this very simple number line, the integers. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's start off at 0. We'll make sure that the cow catcher drill is in line with the 0. Then, we move forward to 1, 2, 3. If we move 3 spaces, we could say we moved 3. But what if we want to move backwards? Let's say we want to move backwards 5 spaces. Let's go backwards 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That puts us at -2. -2. Okay, well, let's go forward now to the 5. Choo-choo.
Can I have one, please? There. Now look, I'm gonna make a classic train. Wow, look at that, Dad.
Let's try to illustrate this one more time. We can go forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can go backwards. -1, -2, -3, -4. Hey, what's going on here? What's happening? Okay, let's go backwards. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Oh, a bonus. -6, -7. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Let's go backwards 4 spaces as well. -1, -2, -3, -4. Zoosh, 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 zoosh. Okay, let's go backwards from the 5. In fact, from the 5, let's go backwards 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That puts us at -1. These numbers keep going. Just because my paper ends here at -4, that doesn't mean that the numbers stop there. In fact, we can keep counting towards -infinity. Whoa, that just means the numbers never stop. And the same thing happens here. Just because my paper ends at 5, that doesn't mean the numbers stop at 5. No, we can keep counting past 5 towards infinity. This illustration just has us work with the integers from -4, choo-choo, all the way to 5. So, again, if we start at 0, we can go back 2 spaces. 1, 2, and that puts us at -2. But what if we go backwards 4 spaces? 1, oh, I started off at 1, excuse me, start at 0, let's go backwards 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're at -4.
Hey, you know what time it is? Smash the big red subscribe button if you haven't already. We're going to do lots of math videos on this channel. We'll do more than talk about -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. We're going to talk about all kinds of early childhood math concepts, so you and your youngster don't want to miss a beat here. And as always, if you need more, whether it's a video, a sticker, or a virtual high five, Keenumbers.com. That's your ticket. See you next week. God bless. I'm Keenum. We're going to talk about quarters, fourths.
Very good, Bubby. Oh, that's all. That's all we need. Maybe just a little tiny bit more, like not a full one, like that much more. Good job. 1/3 cup of flour. All right, let's seal that up so it doesn't spill. And now we need to cut up some onions. Cut up some onions. Back of the onion. Throw that in the sink. And we gotta peel this off. And kind of cut that like that. And then you can just peel that off. Here, right here. Because we don't want any of that brown stuff. We just want the white.
Whoa!
I know, right? And now we're gonna cut it in half. Okay, see how it's a whole onion? And now we're gonna cut it in half. Do you wanna help me?
Yeah.
Hold on to the black part right here. I'm gonna cut it in half. And then we're gonna cut it into fourths. So right now it was a whole. Now it's in halves. Now let's cut it into fourths. Careful on the other side. Yeah, let's just use one hand. Nice. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of onion. And now Mommy's gonna cut it up into even smaller pieces. I'm gonna cut it into 8s. If I cut each of these. Now we have 8s. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. Just be careful because they can make your eyes water because they're pretty spicy. So making your eyes water.
No. I got it. That's going to be a really useful thing.
think the fraction of this is? What do you think the fraction of this onion is at now?
100.
You think it's cut up into 100?
Yeah.
Possible. It might be.
Just have to blink it.
Blink it, blink it, blink it, blink it, blink, 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 blink.
And then I can rub it off. Can you hand me that towel?
Sure. Alright, we're almost done chopping up these onions. They're about small enough. Nice job. Woo! Those are some spicy onions.
Did you make your eyes all watery?
It made my eyes all watery. Did it make your eyes all watery?
Yeah.
I've got 1 quarter and that's all I need. I've got 2 quarters and that's half a need. I've got 3 quarters and I'm almost done. I've got 4 quarters to get back to 1. I've got 4 quarters, 5 quarters, 6 quarters, I've got 7 quarters, 8 quarters, 9 quarters, I've got 10 quarters, 11 quarters, 12 quarters, I've got 3 old dollars, and I wonder why. I've got 3 old dollars, what should I buy? I've got 3 old dollars, what should I do? I've got 3 old dollars for me and you. Quarters!
Whoa!
We have 4 marbles. Let's figure out what is 1 quarter of 4. We're going to use these 4 ice creams to help us figure out 1 quarter of 4. I'm going to put the same amount into each ice cream. Hey, what's going on here? Hey, what's happening? Hey, that's too many. 1 quarter of 4 is 1. And these ice cream scoops help us to partition or to split up the 4. Hey, what's going on here? What's happening here? What's going on? 1 quarter of 4 is 1. We took 4 marbles and we split them up so that we can see 1 quarter more easily. Thank you.
Those are called jellyfish, and you can't put them on your bread.
Look at this. This is the other side there.
This is where that emperor penguin was when you were a little guy and you kept looking at him. He was standing right up there and he said, I think he's concentrating. Do you remember that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Look, starfish. Sea urchin. Starfishes. Keep the racetrack. Oh!
Each of these logs have 5 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even that one back there that has the plank covering it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the corner. You can see the 5th one. Same for this log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 holes in each log. So that means we have 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 holes. What is 1/4 of 20? Well, we want 4 equal piles, and we have 4 equal piles. We've got 4 logs. So on each log, we have a quarter, the same number of holes, 5. We just did it as we counted by 5. A quarter of 20 is 5. Here we have 8 pretzels. 2, 4, 6, 8. And we want to do, don't knock it off. We want to do a quarter of 8, so we need 4 equal piles. 4 equal piles. Hey, now we have 4 equal piles. 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 2. So 2 is 1 quarter of 8. 2. 2 is 1 quarter of 8. Uh-oh, the monster trucks!
Hey, if you haven't already, smash the big red subscribe button so you don't miss any of these educational and zany math videos. We'll do more than just talk about quarters and fourths, halves and thirds. We're going to cover early childhood math at this channel. And we appreciate your support. You can join the newsletter, get a digital download. All of that allows us to continue to create quality math content for your youngins. That's your ticket right there. Till next time, God bless.
Okay, let's take a waffle and cut it into quarters. Hey, we've already got one ready. Let's toast it. And then we'll cut it into quarters. Hey, our waffle is done. This is great news. All we need now is a butter knife. We can put some butter on the waffle and we can cut it into quarters. To do that, first, we cut it in half. There we go. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole waffle. Ooh, okay, now rotate it and let's cut it in half again. By doing that, we create 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters make a whole. 1 quarter of a waffle.
Keenumbers. Keenumbers.
Oh, class, it's snowing. We're gonna learn about hot and cold in this episode.
sweater outside? It's because it's cold outside. It's about 49 degrees outside. When it's cold, we wear sweaters, jackets, coats, long pants, anything to keep us warm.
When it's cold outside, the leaves start to fall from the trees. So when it's winter, and even earlier in the fall, we'll see a lot of barren trees. They don't have any leaves because the temperatures are getting colder.
Here's another example of trees that have lost their leaves during the fall. That's because it's getting colder outside. And when it gets colder, a lot of trees will lose their leaves, but they'll come back in the spring when it's warmer.
I'm too big for that slide.
When it's about 66 degrees outside, it's not too cold and it's not too hot. You can just wear pants and a t-shirt and you'll probably be okay. It's about 41 degrees outside right now. The leaves are falling off the trees and you wear coats when it's this cold. 41 degrees. That's only 9 degrees more than the freezing point of water. This tree has lost a lot of its leaves. Actually, it's lost all of its leaves. That's a good indicator that it's cold outside. Again, it's about 41 degrees outside right now. It's winter time. Hezzy has some ice. When it gets down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, water can freeze. This is ice. Even though it's about 41 degrees right now, the ice hasn't melted yet, but it will if it keeps getting warmer. Is it cold or hot right now? Well, look at the tree. The tree doesn't have any of its leaves. That's probably a good indicator that it's cold outside. Beyond the swings there are pine trees. Pine trees are evergreens. They keep their pine needles all year long. A lot of trees lose their leaves in the winter.
I hope you had so much fun learning about temperature with us today, whether something is too hot or too cold. Like right now, standing out in the snow without a coat, 30 degrees, I think it's time to go inside and get something warm, like some hot coffee. So, if you haven't already and you want to learn more about math, this is the right channel to smash the big red button. Hey, you are fearfully and wonderfully made. See you on next week's video. God bless.
This is a thermometer. It helps us understand if we have a fever or if we're just not feeling well. Normally we're at about 98.6 degrees.
Keenumbers. Keenumbers.
I'm Keenum. In this episode, we're going to talk about tripling numbers. Let's triple. We got 1, we're going to triple it. That means we multiply by 3. Now we have 3 gems. Okay, let's triple 3 gems. Whoa, what's going on, dump truck? Hey, get out of here. Okay, let's try this again. Let's do 2 gems. If we triple it, that's going to mean we multiply by 3. So we go 2, 4, 6. 6 gems.
We have tripled 2 to get 6.
Let's do 6.
Okay, let's try again. We have 3 gems. We want to triple it. That means we multiply by 3. So we're going to do 2 more rows of 3, and then we will have triple 3. 3, 6, 9. Tripling 3. Hey, what's going on here, dump truck?
Moosh. 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 Moosh.
Okay, let's triple. Oh no, once some more. If we triple 1, we get 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, what's going on, Jims? Okay, let's triple 4. We have 4 objects and we want to multiply by 3. We need to add 2 more rows. Hey, what's going on, dump truck? All right, let's try this again. We got 4 objects and we want to triple it. So we're going to add 2 more rows. Wait, dump truck, get out of here. Wait, dump truck. We're going to add 2 more rows in. Wait. So when we triple 4, we get 4, 8, 12. Triple 4 and you get 12. Oh, there's the dump truck. Here it comes. Beep.
Moosh. Moosh. Oh, moosh. Moosh.
The flying banana. Hey, what's going on here? The flying banana. Oh no, the flying banana! Okay, we're gonna triple 5. Here we go. We got 5 objects. Tripling means we're gonna add in 2 more rows. So we got 5, 10, and 15. 5, 10, 15. When you triple 5, you get 15. Here's another example of tripling. We've got 10 dots on the bottom row here. And if we want to triple it, we go 10, 20, 30. So in this frame, we see we have 30 dots. 10 on the first row, 10 on the second row, and 10 on the final row. So that's how we get 30. The flying banana! Oh no, the flying banana!
Yeah, look. It's flying time.
Flying banana. To get 81. Headed out west on a Union Pacific train. Had nothing with me at all, no money, no fame. Found a beautiful girl, a lovely young dame. Started a family, I tripled my game. 1854, triple it again to get 162. Triple. It's time to triple. 1 couch, 1 queen mattress, and 1 single mattress. We have tripled the number of jumping surfaces. Normally we just have that couch, but right now we've tripled it.
Mark it, set, go! Go! Floating down the river.
let's take some of these maple landmark trains. Uh-oh, he's got a chip in his wheel. Let's take some of these maple landmark trains and we're going to triple some numbers. So if we have 1 and we want to triple it, boom, 1, 2, 3, we have tripled 1 to get 3. But what if we want to do 2? Well, let's have 2 trains and let's triple that. And you triple your numbers. 2, 4, 6. Tripling 2 gives us 6. But what if we want to triple 3? What happens when we triple 3? We'll start with 3 and we'll triple it. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. We have tripled 3. Choo, choo. Choo, 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 choo. Okay, let's triple 4. We've got 4 trains. We're gonna triple it. We will get 4, 8, 12. When we triple 4, we are multiplying by 3, so this becomes a 4 by 3 or 12. Now, let's triple 5. Whoa, buddy. If we triple 5, we need to add a few more trains. There we go. 5, 10, 15. This is a 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So when we triple 5, we get 15. Whoa, it's bonus time. We got 6 trains right here. 6. And we're gonna triple 6. Boom. 6, 12, 18. This is a 6 by 3 or 18.
Thanks for joining us in this episode where we triple numbers like 2 to get 6. So cool. We're going to do more multiplication, addition, subtraction, and other early childhood math concepts at this channel. So smash the big red subscribe button and you won't miss any of our content. You can head on over to the website for additional resources. As always, catch you on next week's episode. God bless.
Remember, class, when you want to triple, it's really just taking an object and multiplying it by 3. You're adding, 2 more copies. Here we go. Let's try it again. You take 1 and you triple it. See? Easy as that. I am the bullet.
Keenumbers.